All right, ready for cash or trash?
Yes. So we have 3 drivers. Tammy, how you doing?
Hey, Tammy.
Hello.
How are you?
All right. And then we have John. How you doing, John?
How you doing?
Hey there,
Yes,
hey there,
sir.
John. How are you? Hey, Santa Claus is here. You muted yourself, John.
And then we also have
we
Jeff
got
as well.
Jeffrey.
He's driving, so
He's driving.
We're
He's
gonna-
driving.
you might want to pull over if you're going to look at the phone screen. We want you to be safe. I know
Okay,
you're probably,
unmute yourselves.
All right, I'm unmuted and I'm pulled over now.
Okay, John, you're muted. You need to
All
unmute
right.
yourself.
You guys hear me okay? No feedback?
All right, Tammy, what city are you from? Well, I know you emailed me before, I'm pretty sure. But tell our audience what city, how many years, how many trips?
Dallas, Fort Worth. 3,000 on Uber, 3,000 on Lyft, and 2.5 years.
Okay, pretty good. Are you full time? Yeah, it sounds like you are. Okay. How about you, Jeffrey?
Orange County, California.
Yes.
I have messaged you a few times, shared some screenshots.
Yep.
I 1,400 on Uber. I'm probably 3,000 on Lyft. 6 years on and off.
Cool.
Doing
Cool.
it full.
And you, John?
St. Louis, Missouri, 2,700 rides on Uber, 600 on Lyft.
Oh, you're fairly new then, I'm assuming. All right. So, you guys know the rules. We're going to show you a screenshot of a trip. You're going to say cash or trash, and you're going to give us your reason, and the audience is going to vote. We have nothing to do with it. You guys will win $25. How about that? Ready to go?
Sounds good.
Yeah.
All
All
right.
right. And then we'll go in order too of we'll go Tammy, Jeff, and John. So when you give your answers, we'll go in order that way.
All
All right. So you guys ready? We got 10 seconds for the first one. All right. So what is your thoughts on that one, Tammy? Cash or trash, and why?
I didn't see what the driver rating was.
But the
Should
writer,
we let her know? Should we let
Yeah,
her know?
Yeah, we should let her.
Okay. 4.92.
Cash.
Cash. Why?
49 minutes. It's doable. It's gonna weigh out.
Okay.
For me.
Okay. All right. How about you, Jeffrey?
It's cash. First thing I
Cash.
look at time to destination to pick up passenger.
Cool. Okay. How about you, John?
Cash.
All cash. I like it. Okay. And what's your reason, John?
It's
Good money.
per hour, you know.
Yeah. No, I think I would take that too. What was it? 40 what? $49? I don't even
$50.
Yeah, $50 almost. Yeah, I don't even look at the dollar, guys, right away. Don't look at the big numbers, dollar numbers. Just look at the time to pick up, time to drop off, miles to pick up, miles to drop off first before you look at the big number. That's what you guys should do. But okay, so it's all cash on the first one. How about the second one?
All right, give me 1 second. All right,
Yeah,
next one.
This week. This is a good one. I mean, not in a good one that I would do it or not do it. I'm not trying to influence anything.
And because it's Lyft, it's 15 seconds.
Yeah.
Abby, what would you do? Cash or trash on that one?
It's cash.
Cash.
Okay, and how come?
How come? It
Yep.
Again, looking at my situation, the money, the car, the size, the time, it's cash.
Okay.
I wish I could get offers like that in Dallas Fort Worth.
Well, we just showed, somebody. Like, you know what? Next time you get that thing, the warnings, drive between 7 and 10 a.m. and you make $18 or whatever, please send me those. Sergio at RideShareGuy.com. Because I'm going to try, like, this is ridiculous. $18 an hour. I mean, what are we doing here? We shouldn't be doing this. Jeffrey, how about you?
Definitely cash. It's
Definitely
better
cash.
than $1 a minute and about $1.50 a mile.
Yeah, 100%. And how about you, John?
Cash.
Cash.
For the mileage.
Same reason.
Already.
Mileage. Yep.
Cash.
Yeah, it's
Yep.
cash. So we got. See, we don't want to tell trash. There are good trips if you guys cherry pick, man. You got to be patient. There are these trips. Have both apps fired up. There are these trips. Stop saying trash all day long.
On that one.
Truth.
Huh?
All right, we got 2 more rides. So
Two more?
get
Let's
ready.
do one more. Let's do the big one. I sent you a big one. Let's do that big one. That's a good one.
Okay. All right, hold on.
Let's just do 3 from
Yeah.
now on. 4 is too much.
All right, so
All right,
stop
let's
sending
see
me
this
for
one.
them. All right.
Is it an Uber one?
Yep, it's Uber, so it's 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Uh-huh. Uber green. And because you guys, other than Jeffrey does not know, this is going to the airport, drop off at the airport. So consider that in your answer.
All right,
Tammy.
cash or trash? Tammy.
I'm trashing that one.
You're trashing that one?
Yeah.
Okay, 45 minutes for $25, not good enough.
I'm thinking about the wait time because at the airports you can't always get out right away, and I don't
Good
want to
answer.
sit in there and lose time and lose money.
Good answer. Good answer. How about you, Jeffrey?
100% echo what Tammy said. I mean, I wouldn't take it normally. The time versus the pay. Sometimes lately I've seen 200 plus drive queue and not worth it.
Yep. Okay. How about you, John?
Cash. I look at the
Cash.
mileage.
All right.
Cash.
Okay. All right. So, so you just looked at the miles and the time, or just the time and the price?
Both the miles and the time.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
I mean, look, I'm personally speaking, I probably would take it just because it's a drop off, and if I was higher tiers, most likely I'll be rematched out of LAX. But I don't know. So okay, so that's our game. So our poll is open. We got to vote for the winner for $25. Let's see who's going to win the $25 and who's going to win it.
I don't know, but let's give them each something that we can I don't know, extend it so we get the
Okay, we're going.
polling just
Okay, Tammy, are you going to keep driving? What did you think about what did you think about the professor who wrote the article? Did you read the article?
I haven't been able to read it yet, but I did, enjoy everything that he said. I feel like he's right on target. Yeah.
I mean, you've been driving for a while. Have you seen the similar trend that the fares are less and less? I mean, you're earning less. Are you earning less, or are you earning more than, let's say, when you first started?
Definitely less.
Okay.
That's why I incorporated, and I now have 4 states on my Lyft because I drive in Kansas and Missouri when I'm up there.
Okay. Okay. How about you, Jeffrey? What did you think of the article? If you read the article and the conclusions that he came up with?
I didn't haven't seen the article. With all the stuff you've already saying, I knew. I've been watching. I've been trending. I have reports. The guys, so you were down to about 20 now.
Okay. How about you, John? We're getting
I've read
hacked.
the
Are we getting
article and
hacked?
I agree 100%. I've read the article and I
You
agree 100%.
Yeah.
All right, now here's the big question. Did anybody read Uber's rebuttal argument in their article that came out earlier today?
I haven't
I
even
did.
seen that one.
I
It
did.
didn't pop up on my stuff.
Oh yeah. Well, it did. There was one that came out. We will be breaking it down next week, though. But yeah. So if you didn't know about it, you can.
Okay.
What's the
Good
title?
luck with the internet.
Understanding Uber's Share Driver Earnings is what it's called.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Let's end this
So,
poll right now.
Um,
We've got end poll. Let's see who is our winner. Who had the best answers for this week's Cash or Trash? Tammy with 50% of the votes, John with 32, and John with 17. Or Jeff with 32 and John with 17. Congratulations, guys. Tammy, you are today's winner.
Yay!
Tammy, you're the winner. Okay, Tammy, email me, Sergio@RideShareGuy.com. Your 25 is coming to you. Use it for Christmas. Use it for whatever you want to use it. Don't spend it all at one place. Anyway, thank you, guys. Thank you, Jeffrey. Thank you, John. And thank you, Tammy, for playing our Cash or Trash. We'll see you again.
Be safe.
All right.
Thanks, guys. Drive safe. Have a good day.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.